The last one is
it's fun actually.
take everything out and fold it. Everything.
So you eat na ano yan, di ba? White ng egg.
Yeah.
At saka,
You separate the
Egg white and the egg yolk.
Yeah. Okay, but when you do this, you don't want a single drop of egg yolk in your
in the
egg white.
egg white,
Otherwise,
yes.
you want create this.
Yeah, it won't.
Because you want, and then the bowl has to be clean and grease free.
And preferably cold.
Yeah. And
I
grease
refrigerate
free.
mine before I.
Okay, so there you go. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so it's deflating as we're doing this, but be careful. I'm being gentle now. And actually when I make the cupcakes, I weigh them one by one. But so I put some of these.
I will hold.
Haan digay ko di mango si katita kakabil di mango slices.
Is that a special?
Yeah, this is
for cupcakes.
Yeah, for
cupcakes.
yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Tanuhang ka mo otherwise the ice cream scoop will do if you don't have these. Okay.
Commercial.
Yeah,
You have to do it. Oh, awesome! I like that.
So it's less messy.
It's a cool tool.
It is a very cool tool.
I like that. I want one.
Ada the bed bath?
Yeah.
I want one. I'm
Okay,
going to
Bed Bath &
laser tub right away.
Yeah, I actually bought it at the Bed Bath & Beyond. So it's a little bit more than for chiffon cakes. You need to have at least more than 2/3. So regular cake, 2/3 full. Dapat kat kasi deflate after it's baked.
One.
So commercial, I actually weigh na nagpapada.
I-weigh mo pa
This is a guys. I mean, I have this on the scale and then one by one. I-tear ko and then I.
Saka i-transfer.
Yeah, so it roughly about 35 grams. Bawat may isa. Okay, so maybe this should do.
Think it lacks.
Nice to see you.
15.
How are you? Okay, yeah.
I do like 18 minutes for cupcakes. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ika di manggang. Ito na nung ika.
Nalipati di mangga! Helen! Ipaglangin di mangga! Gimme!
Yung pinaghirapan niya. Nakalimutan.
I know! Oh my goodness!
Naimos pa.
Nagsam ito yung mangga ka ng tayo.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, very sweet.
Nagkatangan, 99 ranch or?
Yeah.
99 right?
Kasi nung dagduman na
Ada nagatang ko nga kasi guys.
Nadismaya ako ni Sunga Tatak. Na pa namin yung Dublin. Okay. Among giant ko Habi-dabi.
Whole Foods as a nga.
Okay. Alright, so now what I do,
Now the
sayang
cakes.
dapat the cake. I'll take it out. Kasi rumigregatan eh. Right.
Is that another baking tip?
1360 minus 750. 600?
600.
Oh, so it are approximately 300 each. Okay.
This is only for if you're making cakes. Alright, she is measuring the batter so that it's 300 grams.
Yeah, 300 grams. That's what's left in this one. Yeah. Whatever's left here. Sobra pa kidi kasi jamat ko tatay eh. So I'm gonna add this is the rest of it here. And then you have to cut it into two.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before you can fill it. Okay. So roughly, don't shake it, don't bang it. Okay. So what I do, normally I have 2 ovens on so that the temperature is uniform throughout. But this time I didn't have it on, so I'll put it on the second level and time it. Ah, manan. Thank you, Helen.
Pinagrigatan na eh. Saan ka nga mausap?
Sinukat ko pa, iti panag...
I know, kita ma, precision cutting eh.
Precision.
Baka mapagsakak eh.
I know.
Narigat yung magiging
pasado deta. Pasadong pasado.
Pampaimas na ito
naging. Okay, the next thing while this is baking or after it's baked, kami nga panawan eh. I want to babysit it. I don't want it to turn brown on me. We'll make the custard. Mango custard. So we'll fill the cakes, or we can top actually the cupcakes with it.
Kunak no i-inject mo ko.
Okay.
Kita nga.
No, ti aramid I'll have the apple core, so I'll take some cake out, and then you fill it with that custard. Yeah. Okay.
That's one way to do it.
That's one way to do it. Or if you don't want to waste...
It's a hard way.
Okay, if you don't want to waste any cake at all, don't even pour it.
Yeah.
Put it on top.
Oh.
Okay. This one, I'm using the other timer.
The oven says 310.
This is a convection.
Regular ones should be
325.
325.
You have to study your oven because you don't want it to burn.
Remy is making custard.
How many? 1 cup of sugar. Two-thirds cup of sugar. And 2 cups. This is slightly over 2 cups because I need it for this one. So 2 cups of mango.
Mango juice.
Mango juice. Really good mango juice. Good quality.
Brand?
Kita to the refrigerator.
Kitang man. Assistant.
Sun Tropics.
Oh, Sun Tropics. Yeah.
Okay.
In the refrigerated section?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So this is slightly over. Di pakita. Nada makita na ka sa diyan.
Sun Tropics mango.
Okay. And this is 1/4 cup of cornstarch.
1/4 cup of cornstarch.
Okay, yeah. I need to whisk ko ang basitan. Whisk.
So
whisk a little bit of the.
That's about 2 tablespoons maybe or more.
Yeah. Just enough to dissolve the cornstarch. Slurry consistency. Ay.
Nauyong ni Remy. Agpatay tinilaw.
Adamay sa nga nakaunag. Okay, so for the meantime,
do you bring it to boil?
yes, you have to bring it to boil.
To boil.
Bring to boil. And very important is the timer. 1.5
1.5
minutes. Okay. So once this is no harm in raising the temperature. So this custard makes the mango cake.
Gives the mango cake the wow factor.
The wow factor, yeah. So what I do is, so I cool it down. I filter, a sieve, let it pass through a sieve, okay, so that it's smooth, and any lumps of cornstarch, will go away. And I pipe that on top of the cake or as a filling. If I don't want to waste, kasi nagbasito na yung cupcake eh.
I think that will give to the
to the. So what I do, I frost first the cake around it with a flour or a border shell. In the middle of that cupcake will be this custard.
So do you already have a pre-made icing?
We'll make it together.
Oh, we'll make it together.
Whipped cream, yeah.
Okay.
I plan it so that you'll not.
Whipped cream will collapse, no?
Depends
in room temperature.
That's why I add something else.
Oh, that I need to know.
Okay.
Secrets of the trade.
Yeah, trade secrets.
I signed a non-disclosure agreement when I walked in the house.
Yeah.
She made me.
Yeah.
So I learned something. Pureed mango is not sweet enough. But maybe I'll experiment with adding sugar to my mango puree.
Boiling. I reduce it a little. It's boiling. Okay. So what I do, without stopping, otherwise you'll create lumps.
Yep.
Okay.
It's like making gravy.
Okay. Slowly pour the cornstarch mixture.
It's like a gravy.
Okay, and start my timer. 1.5 minutes. Just to cook the cornstarch a little bit. Everything else.
Okay.
Soft. Okay, now turn it off. Okay.
So Remy is pouring the custard, hot custard, through a sieve to get rid of all the lumps.
Yeah.
Okay. Everything there. Okay, then.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Sorry. Okay. Then.
Kadilpatan na siya.
Inaimas.
Kadilpatan.
Okay. Next is to put a plastic. You don't want to create a skin. Any custard, you do this with any custard, is to put a saran wrap as close as possible, no air, and leave it to cool down. By the time
refrigerate, no?
Mabaling i-refrigerate
But I usually don't like to refrigerate hot things.
Kasi kung pumalot to, narigat nga i-pipe. Okay. So what we can do.
So room temperature.
Bring it to room temperature.
So ano